Hi. Welcome to our YouTube channel My Sociology. Today we are going to discuss about community. Community is the combination of two Latin words, that is cam means together and munus means serve, that is serve together is called community. According to Bogarts, community is a social group with some degree of we feeling and living in a given area. W. Ogburn defined community is a total organization of social life within a limited area. According to Davis, community is the smallest territorial group that can embrace all aspects of social life. Bertrand's definition of community is a functionally related aggregate of people who live in a particular geographical locality at a particular time, show a common culture, are arranged in a social structure, exhibit an awareness of their uniqueness and separate identity as a group. Community has some characteristics. First one is locality. Locality means a community occupies a territorial area permanent or changing. The people are having belonging to their locality and develop we feeling with each other. The second characteristic of community is sentiments. The community sentiment is the social coherence, which the people inculcate within themselves. This sense of belonging together and to the residents is the real sentiment of community. Hence a common way of life of people along with its awareness on a common territory is a community. The third characteristic of community is wider ends. Everyone in community share some of their interest. They combine not for the execution of a specific end. The ends are wider and people work in group to accomplish some interests. The fourth characteristic of community is group of people. Community is the totality of individuals with similar conditions of life. Thus it is a group of a people living together similarly. The fifth characteristic of community is common life. One of the elements of community is that there is always common life. There is no up and downs and inequality in community. The sixth characteristic of community is particular name. A community is always identified by its name. Thus it is having its own particular name. The seventh characteristic of community is a spontaneous origin and growth. There is no community on the global world without its origin and growth. Thus each and every community has its own origination and growing with the passage of time. The final characteristic of community is permanence. Permanence, one of the basic element of community, the membership of the community is permanent. An individual is always identified through his community. Thus it is permanent in its nature. I hope everyone understood the class. Our next class is about association. If you like this class, please like the video or dislike if you do not like the class. Your likes and comments are being prompted to do more of our videos. And also please subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon to get our more videos. If you want to get slides shown in the video, please like our Facebook page. We provided Facebook page link in the description. Thank you.